Now that you've completed your maintenance and activity fee of $100, it's time to add a price variation. A price variation can be any change to the price that you see fit to charge your members. In this particular case, we're going to be adding a late fee to anybody that pays their maintenance fee after June the 1st. First, click on Add Variation. The variation type will be a date. Click Date Range. The price will increase for anyone who pays after June the 1st, 2021. And that will continue all the way until the end of the pool season, 2021. The late fee will be $20. Lastly, you want to add a description. Then scroll up and click Save. Your price variation is complete.